Okay, this one is Outzone. Basically got it fixed. There is a few chips I've already replaced. Two 244s there, and another 244 here. There's still a bad RAM. It'll be one of these four here, or a deadline or something on that RAM. Anyway, let's fire it on quick, and I'll show you how we are. Got sound too. Brilliant. So, still some character error to do with these. Yeah, I can't see any damage around there, so it's got to be a bad chip. Okay, part two of this little bitch. Replace that. Replace that. And we're in. So, full of track loop now. Why not? There we go. Sick game. It's not rare though. This game's not rare at all. This would be the 10th one I've fixed, 11th in a year and a half, 2 years. This isn't going from back in the day. So basically what they did on here was they proper rewired the address mapping. That uses the original Outzone ROMs, which is very cool. For the zero wing board, makes it a bit harder to turn into a double game though.